Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Simbut Menteri Rangba Kajala Uba Preston Song Hagasngi Balang Udoong Baga Sorkar Jala Kalara Jingeh Kinong Shnong Shaka Sorkar Pdeng Halor Kajing Terwa Ban Ker Sainar Hagi Khappud ke India Bat Bangladesh Kamtam Hagi Than Bagi Don Kishnong Ki Bahab Hapo Ka Shispa Sanpo Yad Na Upod Usang Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor Uba Preston Ule Thu Baga Sorkar Kampursha Kajing Temu Ban Ker Hagi Jaka Khappud Bat Kapinpau Bakalong Kebadan Kam Bande Evani Hendrai udoong bah kikatu kani kijaka hakithan East Khasi Hills. Kidon Kishnong ba kijaka rap jongki ki hap hapo kani ka shispa san phau yan. Udoong baladashnai ki jingker katkum ki kindon ki beldan lupa don Kishnong ki bala ban kutno shabar jong kajaka balaker kababu Jingeh kabakrawi kinong shnong bat kila ban syabu shabar bat ngat hakajaka kabasha perking bha. Uba Preston uloong ru baka Sorkar kalapha jingtho syakatanat kampo ying kari bat syaka border security force ban kerpat ban sengap lem ni Jingeh jong kinong shnong. Uloong baka Sorkar jala kala jingmut belada omla ban penjensur yakani ke kendon belabu ka Sorkar Pdeng kadai ban perkhat lem ni Shnong ba syakta bat kinong rep dak basiu ka bailut kesan bat ban ai jaka bakin kendia. Shoshu uloong ru baka jala kadang ap ya kajubab na ka Sorkar Pdeng bat haju kapor kalau kentui ki bor bahalor bakin nomya syakmat ya ka jingker sainar hakitu ki jaka kat ba ompat la ban penbet ya kani Jingeh.
Border fencing I'm talking about? Yes. See, border fencing again, we have challenges. What happened is there are portion of our, Indian territory. If we take 150 yards, what happened is within that 150 yards, the village is there with beyond below the 150 yards. It may happen only 50, 60 from the from the villa. Okay, so there are places even in Peninsula area where we have like that. So now from the government we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then I convened personally a meeting also with BSF, with the NBCC here, and I impressed upon them that we are not at all against the fencing. We really need fencing, but the issue is if we follow that international norms and guidelines, 150 yards, meaning a village will be well outside the fencing. Then what will happen? If it is well outside the fencing, means it becomes more or less like a no man's land. So now that is the concern, and we have flagged off these issues to the government of India, and we have told them also, in case if 150 yard cannot be compromised, why not you acquire the entire area? Acquire outright purchase of the land so that the villagers or the farmers can shift from there to other places. So that is the solution.
Any communication?
Not yet. We are yet, but in such places, as I said to you, even from the state government, we said please stop, don't go ahead with your fencing.
So any